What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Big Lemons TV channel, bro. Today is Saturday, April 24th. I'm actually getting ready to head out. Got my bags packed. Got a flight in about another 2 hours. Here in a little bit, I'm gonna check out of the hotel, Uber to the airport, and we're gonna be in Vegas by the end of today. I actually gave away that saltwater rod out here because I couldn't take it with me on the plane. I thought it was like a smaller travel rod when I got it, but it actually didn't fit in my suitcase. So I went ahead and gave that to the homie, man. Just a token of my appreciation for showing me around, giving me rides and stuff, and that's what it is. But yo, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Day one in Vegas, time to find a rental car ASAP. Alright, y'all, new dilemma. Ran into like a super crazy mishap with the rental, and it just made me start thinking like maybe I should just go ahead and get a new one. So that's today's struggle, amongst a couple other things. Still trying to figure it all out. I'll get you updated soon. Been here for 5 days, just now starting to get somewhat acclimated to the whole situation out here in the desert. Literally, I just left from Walmart from getting a big old cooler tank and this sombrero. Wait, sombrero. Hey, if you could say sombrero, let me know in the comment section down below. But just been working, training in the field, and I'm trying to make my way to a place to fish. Haven't been able to fish since Cali. I'm out here sitting on this rock, eating this food, and I might look homeless to some people, like, but it's all good. Documenting this whole process, the whole journey, just traveling, vlogging, and fishing. Mostly, but I can't fish here, so humbling experience. But I gotta catch an Uber, so talk to you soon. Today is Friday, April 30th. Got off work, and I'm actually gonna catch a flight tonight back to Virginia, see the fam, get some stuff taken care of, do my laundry, and come on back out here, man, for next week. And who knows, I might get a chance to catch a largemouth bass back at home. First week was lit, it was hot, it's the desert, that's facts, but it wasn't too bad, man. Take it on the chin, man. It's not bad at all. It gets hot in Virginia, up near 90s, 100s during the summer. Heat of the summer, it'll be real humid, and so heat's just heat, man. No big deal. I used to live in Texas too, so heat's just heat. I just got some food, packed up, walking back to the room to get situated, probably get cleaned up, and then catch the flight this evening. And you know, I'll catch you soon, and we'll do a little rundown of everything. So see you then. Yo, what's up, y'all? So, came home for the weekend to see my son. What's up, man? Yeah. Where? Over there? Yeah. And try and catch a fish, man, because it's been super busy and hectic in Vegas. It's probably still gonna be another couple weeks before I can actually get the fish out there. I got a lot going on with work and trying to find a place to live for my family and getting a car, going to DMV, just a bunch of, you know, adult stuff, life stuff. So just making the best of it and doing what we can in this transition period, and enjoying life, man, and the fullness thereof. God is great, you already know. Stay true to yourself at all times, man, and great things can happen. All praise be to the Most High. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the content, man. I got a 6-cent sack and a Major League Fishing Champions Club sack in the mail that my old lady unboxed it for me on FaceTime. So it's not really going to be much of a reaction or a review if I do a video, but it's definitely some super dope lures that I'll just show a little bit of in a little clip. Yo, just real quick, I wanted to run through what I got in this Major League Fishing Champions Club Pro Tackle Box. It was my first one, and then I got my 6-cent sack too, but I put all my sacks on hold until after I get the new place. So these are my last two for now, for a little while. But in this one, they sent some Guggen toads with a buzz bait. So I already put one of the toads on the back of the buzz bait, and so they sent that. They sent some tungsten weights, little top water popper, clean little guy. They must know your boy, you know what I'm saying? The kid likes to fish with war pigs. But this bait right here is something different. They call it a duck it vibrating jig. It's kind of like a chatterbait style, except this doesn't flap and it's plastic, but the hook dangles, and it's got like a heavy cover style hook on it. So this is super dope. This is the 6-cent sack I got this month. Some June bug red shaky heads. You got the green pumpkin Ned fries. Then you got some more cloud worms and cinnamon crave. These look pretty nice, so that's what they sent me for the soft plastics. Some cranking baits. A lipless sexy shad. They call it Snoop shad, but then they sent me a Dogma top water. 2 cranks. Got a mini mag, Silent Cloud 9, which is big. I always give those away. Comment down below if you, you want to. This one, I'm probably going to rig this one up today too. It's the C6 in shad truth. So this cranking bait, it's a medium diver, 4 to 8 feet. Super dope colors. Shad mimicking style bait, and this jig are the 2 baits that I kind of want to use today, and I might wacky rig that cinnamon clout worm and try and get on some bass before I head back and catch a flight back out west today, man. So that's what it is. But I'm gonna hold you up, man. And hey, no whining. Hey, is she in the house? She coming. But anyway, we're just gonna send it, get some content, and I'm gonna see you there. Week 1 in Vegas was a super crazy roller coaster of emotions and anxiety and events, ups and downs, but overall super dope, and we getting things situated slowly but surely in this transition. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay true. God is great. All praise be to the Most High. At all times, stay true to yourself, bro. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.
Hi, right, Danny, guy, to the bed.